Welcome to KayakPro Danmark. I would like to introduce our new kayak ergometer Zion, where you can have an interactive rowing experience. Zion has a really good catch and allows for rotation through the stable aluminium frame. Zion is equipped with both Nilo strap and Nilo seat, which provides really good comfort. The adjustable carbon shaft also allows for customization. Let's take a look at the screen. KayakPro can be connected to KinoMap, where you can row around the world. Here's a shot from the port of Copenhagen. To the left you can see previous avatars who have rowed the trip. It is possible to connect your iPad via Bluetooth to the ergometer. You can log your data on Gym Tracker. It's only 2 meters and 10 long and can be tilted so it takes little space. Footrest with Nilo strap. Nilo seat. Thanks for watching.